Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Take that. Don't take that.
Hey, look. Your door's open up. Your door was open up.
Why you open my door?
You know me?
No. You know me?
I remember you.
Please be aware of your surroundings at all times. Not sure why they let him walk so close behind him. Thank God he was weak and no one was hurt.
Are you mugging them? There's a reason.
Hey!
The cops are you
What's going on with you? Man alive!
Hey!
Cut the cop! Motherfucker, I got you in the camera! I got you in the camera! Cut the...
This is very unfortunate. The delivery man's car gets taken while he's making his delivery.
Yeah, so wait a minute for that now. There you go.
You all set?
I am good.
All right, we'll see you, Kristen.
All right, thank
Take care.
you.
Try to take your keys and lock the doors if you're going to leave your car running.
Hey!
What do you need? Can I help you? Hello?
Not sure what was the point of knocking on the door just to mess with the man's car.
Bro, what tip is y'all on? Why was he just in my car? What is that?
Get out of the house. Get out of the house right now. Get out. Oh, you're getting it. Everything, you're getting it. Can you call circuit right now? Everything. Right now, that.
When his health took a turn, we turned to them again. They explained hospice and guided us through everything. I can't tell you.
Oh, someone is coming. 911's coming. Getting you. Everything already recorded. Got you everything. Oh.
Good thing for that dog. This guy ain't making far at all. Don't forget your other delivery options, P.O. boxes, Amazon lockers, and locations you can pick up from. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there and stay aware of your surroundings. I'll see you in the next one.
I didn't even notice I had. Yes, I'm here with the Department of Mental Health to speak to Kyla.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
I'm here with the Department of Mental Health. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Friendly reminder to make sure you keep those doors locked. Always check them before you go in. Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.